Take a breath. Every cell in your body depends on oxygen to survive. Now imagine a version of humanity where oxygen is deadly and inhaling it would kill you in minutes. What if humans never evolved to breathe oxygen at all? Before oxygen filled Earth's atmosphere, life already existed. For billions of years, early organisms survived without it, using chemical reactions that didn't rely on oxygen to produce energy. This isn't pure science fiction. It's what life looked like long before our atmosphere became what it is today. If humans never developed oxygen-based metabolism, we wouldn't just be different in small ways, we'd be entirely alien compared to the people we know. Humans without oxygen would rely on anaerobic metabolism, a process that produces energy without oxygen, similar to certain bacteria living today. But there's a huge trade-off. Anaerobic energy production is far less efficient than oxygen-based metabolism. That means humans would be smaller, slower, and far less capable of sustained movement. Endurance, speed, and even brain power would be limited by the energy our cells could generate. Tall, powerful humans wouldn't exist. Our bodies would be compact, energy efficient, and built to survive in a world without oxygen, and our environment would have to be completely different. Oxygen-free humans couldn't survive in the air we breathe today. We would thrive underground, in sealed chambers, underwater, or in other environments where oxygen is absent. The surface world as we know it, with its fires, oxidizing metals, and oxygen-rich air, would be lethal. Oxygen wouldn't be life to us. It would be poison. This shift would completely reshape human civilization. Without oxygen, fire, as we know it, wouldn't exist. Metal smelting, essential to the Bronze Age and Iron Age, would be nearly impossible. Industrial revolutions, steam engines, and even modern electricity might never arise. Technology would be biological, chemical, and mechanical in entirely different ways. We might develop fermentation-based energy systems, pressure-driven machines, or tools grown from living materials. Civilization would likely evolve downward into the ground or underwater, rather than upward into towering cities. War and conflict would also be unrecognizable. Without fire, explosions, or combustion-based weapons, battles would rely on chemicals, environmental manipulation, and resource denial. Strategies would focus on survival and conservation, not conquest. Societies would be cautious because one accidental exposure to oxygen could wipe out entire communities. Adaptation, not aggression, would dominate human behavior. Despite these limitations, humans would still find ways to innovate, survive, and thrive. But life would be slower, more deliberate, and less destructive. Our brains, fueled by less efficient metabolism, might have evolved differently too, prioritizing careful thinking over rapid action. Our civilizations might never have expanded across continents or polluted the skies with industrial fire, but we could still be intelligent, creative, and resilient in ways unimaginable to oxygen-breathing humans. So, what would humans without oxygen look like? Not weaker, just fundamentally different. Slower, more cautious, deeply adaptive. Less destructive, more in harmony with environments that would be deadly to us today. And on a planet where oxygen never dominated, we might still be here, surviving in a quiet, hidden world, nothing like the humans we know, and yet still unmistakably alive. If oxygen created modern humanity, what other possibilities might evolution have chosen instead?